we are going sea life. No, baby?
Yeah, we are taking.
Sea life?
We're going to sea life. Manageable
Let's
time. I
queue
think. So
here.
what time we were booked for that? 12:45.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're late anyway. Let's see what happens. Guys, the adventure of coming into sea life is different. The feeling is really nice. We were very lucky at the first stage when we walked in, we saw those sharks coming through when we were top of the glass. And here we are walking to the attraction. I'll show you the crowd of people that come through over here. See the amount of people. What is that? Nadia, gide. Fish, acha baba, fish caught, fish caught. Fish, hello. Kiss it, man. Kiss it, man.
They see there's a blue lobster.
Guys, we've come for dinner now. With my family, we come to South Hall. Really nice. Vast Borayopala sarki really. So we got this Swarna Bhavan and we're gonna have like try something veg because veg Hyder's items aloha. So yeah, Kirkara Kisha be out like Kisha and Bukela. Let's see what we're gonna do now. Let's see what we order and I'll let you know about this. So Angel ordered for a masala dosa.
Yummy.
Yummy, Angel? And this is Nadia special. What is this? This is mushroom 65. Very nice.
Nadia special. This
इसको बड़ा स्पेशल है बड़ा ले
Swarna Bhavan special.
मामा के वेज थाली थी जापान आती की वेज थाली हाँ And guess what? Who's this one for? This is for Kisha, plain dosa. So यार क्या हाथ से? And this food is for Nadia, veg fried rice. Along with this one as well. So guys, we just have finished now. You see Kita, like power gazle eldo. So yeah, power. Huh? What she had? Yeah, she had lassi, plain dosa, and so yeah, power and so that. But I can't get today. I mean, since now we are in South Hall, I'm kitchen lang Joyce Building Ospa. We go to visit Joyce for some time and then we're going to head straight back home from there. Hello friends and welcome back again to our channel K2 and Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. And here we are back at the end of the session. We hope you have enjoyed the first vlog of the attraction places that we had gone. The first one we had shown the London Eye, and the second one what we have done is the sea life. It was beautiful, very amazing, very good day out with family. We really enjoyed.
Yeah, it was really worth it.
It was really worth it. As I said, like guys, in that video, I've shown it before. Like what we had done it. We went from here to where we did Westfields. Yeah, we parked over there. Just cost me about like £8.50 or £9 for the whole day that I parked. From there, we took the train. Did not cost a lot as well. Very cheap, I think so. £3-4 something we paid, and then there was no congestion, nothing. Yeah, that we had to pay. So and then we were on time over there. Just got delayed at the beginning to go for the first attraction. So. But anyways, since we booked online, it was very easy for us. We had not to go in the queue. We had to go in there was a separate queue. 4 hours booked online.
Yeah.
So we could go on London Eye straight away. Was the trip sarki, and it was amazing, beautiful. The weather also was very nice.
Yeah, it was very
we really liked that. And so what do you have to do, guys? If you really anytime you'll plan, what you do is just book this online, which cost you about like £55 for 3 attractions.
Yes.
So what we booked London Eye,
Sea Life and Shrek Adventure. Unfortunately, we could not do the Shrek Adventure because we were late. Because we did the first 2, the third one, the time was not enough for us to do that. But the best thing is, anytime that you do a booking of your attractions, like any of the 3, you got Madame Tussauds, you got Dungeon House, so you choose and pick which one you want to do, and accordingly, like we use these 3, you all can choose any 3. So there are 90 days window. You do your first attraction on the date that you book for yourself, and after that the other 2 attractions you don't need to do on the very same day. You can do any other days, and you have 90 days of window from the day you booked your ticket, and you can go. You just take your rebook your ticket, go online and reschedule your timing to come back, and you can go again for that visit to do. I feel you can do all the attraction at one day, but then you have to do it very quickly, and then you won't get time to eat nicely.
If you have small kids, it's a little bit like buy a John or Papa, I'm more than take a nappy change.
And sea life is a place where you have to
Yeah.
watch those fishes and think fast करून
जायना ना यू रियली हॅव टू बिकॉज आमी गेल्ली पयलीं थिंगा एक पार्टी म्हगे मामा आसतना आनी मुगें सांगलोलें म्हगे मामा आसलोले म्हगे मामा येयलो थंय सगळे येयलो म्हगे फॅमिली आहलो तेन्ना आनी तेजे उपरांत आमी लायक when your mama was there, like तें केन्ना लंडन चोवून आहलो सारकें वचून सो फर्स्ट टायम तेका थिंग व्हरोन हाडला सो ती सारकी हॅपी आहा बरें दिसता म्हणून इट वॉज व्हेरी नायस एंड द व्यू ऑल्सो इज ब्युटिफूल व्हेरी नायस आय विल से जालें कितें त्या दिसा वी फॉरगॉट टू टेक आवर माइक्स विथ अस एंड वेन वी वेंट टू सी लायफ too much noise because it's compact, right? Echo जाता sound बी
म्युझिकूय आलो तेंगे
म्युझिकूय आसता सो तें हें करपाक मेळना आमकां उलयता तें कांय कळून जालें लायक कळच ना आमकां कितें उलयता तें सो ह्या विडियोन तें मागीर म्यूट उडोवपाक पडलें आमकां तें म्युजीक घालपाक पडलें ओवररायट म्युजीक घालपाक पडलें तेजें सो पूण विडियोचे आमी अशें करून दाखयलां हाव दॅट सी लायफ इज आय टेल यू वॉट
इट्स व्हेरी नायस
guys, you need to take your kids over there. Yeah, Angel had been to Bristol Fish Aquarium from her school trip, and this we took her to London. And I'll tell you what, this is such a amazing. I was talking to her, I was telling her, and she was there was jellyfish. Yeah,
even Kisha enjoyed.
Kisha also, the shark, the shark, you see, like, the sea life, so beautiful, so close to you. Really nice. That turtle, like, that was, I think so,
huge.
such a big, केन्ना चोयलो ना दोडो केन्ना चोयलो ना एसे कोलवा एडेर बी एक बाणाले कितें मेळ्ळो म्हण हांवें कोलो हांवें थिंगा पण अशें करून हांवें केन्ना चोयलो ना हे दोडो मुगे इन माय नेकेड आयज आय हॅवंट सीन दॅट सो दॅट वॉज द फर्स्ट टायम एंड देर आर 2 turtles and beautiful everything is really it's worth of the price that we pay अशें करून दिसना की आनी या ट्रेन घेवन वचपाकूय इजी पडटा सारकें व्हडली इट्स नॉट रियली तितली हॅसलूय जायना सो थिंगा गाडी पार्क केलो थिंगा इट वॉज सेफ एंड साउंड where you park your car from there the mall the station is very close by 5 minutes walk from there Shepherd Bush to Bond Street to Waterloo less than 25 minutes drive yeah journey it is like the train आता वयता करपाक पूण बरें हा very nice so guys I hope you have enjoyed this vlog yeah because चड करपाक मेळना हेजे मुखार आतां जायते आनी खूब बिजी उरले आमी या देर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर कमिंग
also is coming so जायत तयारी करता
तेगे प्रिपरेशन करपाक
it's a small birthday but
yeah small
भुरग्यांगे small केन्ना जायना
एक्चुअली आमी लायक एवरी टायम आमी कितें करता एंजलागे लास्ट इयर आनी इयर बिफोर आमी तेंगे बर्थडे घरा कडेन केल्लो केन्ना अशें करून भायल्यान अशें करून ना आमी घरा कडेन केल्लो भायल्यान केन्ना करताले ते धाकटे आहलो पळय तेका आमी एवरी टायम तेगे बर्थडे आमी भायर वयताली आनी वी सेलिब्रेटेड फॅमिली आमी पयर कशी केलोली आतां तेगे स्कॉल स्टार्ट जाता तेन्ना ते क्लास नाहलोले आज स्कॉल स्टार्ट जाता सो बर्थडे दीस कितको वयतो भायर सो तेकाय तें आतां आपणाक बर्थडे स्कुलान जायना आनी घरा कडेन म्हणटा कितें वी जस्ट फ्रेंड्स एंड फॅमिली ओली वी नॉट सेलिब्रेटींग रियली बिग बर्थडे म्हणून बट इट इज अ ब्लेसिंग दॅट माय चायल्ड शी इज बिकमिंग एन 8 years शी इज ग्रोईंग अप या आनी शमाय अशें करून उलयता आतां पेटा करून शमाय जाली ती सो बट भुरग्यां म्हाजे बरें दिसता चोवपाक या आनी एज वी ऑलवेज से वी ऑलवेज ट्राय टू बी as parents what good we can do we try to do good and then it's all up to God's grace how she grows up and how she becomes as a person and with all the blessings that you guys and everyone sends over so that is also very nice yeah but and there are people who did say like last time when we went out I said like okay we are celebrating Angel's pre-birthday there are a lot of them who have said birthday wishes for Angel in advance only but thank you so much for your birthday wishes and blessings for my children both of them you all send always those blessings thank you so much guys yeah ती शमाय आहा ती भितर एकलेच ती मस्ती पण करता ते गेले
एनी टाइम आमी फोन हातीन घेयलो हाय फ्रेंड्स शी से शी डजंट इवन नो आम
किती करता ते कॅमेरा बेबी हाय फ्रेंड्स म्हणटा ते जाला ते पयर जाते ते युट्यूबरा मातशें जावपा लागले ते आता सो इट्स व्हेरी नायस इट्स ऑल गुड गायज इट्स सो नायस टू गेट कनेक्टेड लायक दिस सो होप यू ऑल हॅव एन्जॉयड दिस व्लॉग या एंड यू विल टेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ दिस
सो फ्रेंड्स इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज सपोर्ट अस एंड डू शेअर दिस वीडियो विथ युअर फ्रेंड्स family because भुरग्यांक चोवपाक खूब लायक जातले the sea life and even everyone will like it so do support our channel and thank you for everything
It is, yes. Please do support. Yeah, without your support, we cannot grow up. And I know that every response that we are growing every day.
Yeah.
Honestly, every day there is a progress that we see every day. Like people are coming, and there are genuine people for coming. Like
Yeah.
we're having accounts going up. Very nice. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, it means a lot. So, guys, hope you have enjoyed this vlog, what we have done, and thank you so much again. So, until we meet again to make another vlog, stay safe. God bless you all, and a final word to say. Adios.
Adios.